Welcome. In this lesson, we learn how to swap two numbers in C Sharp. Swapping means exchanging the values held in two variables. The simplest and most explicit way to do this is with a temporary variable. Store the first value in temp, move the second into the first, and then move temp into the second. This pattern appears everywhere in programming and is a great way to practice reading input with working variables and writing output. Let's walk through the code and see it run. This program will prompt the user for two integers, then swap them using a temporary variable. This example emphasizes basic console input-output, passing strings to integers, and manipulating variable values. It is also a useful moment to discuss types and how data lives in memory while the program runs. Here's the full program. We declare three ints, number 1, number 2, and temp. We prompt the pass user input with console readline and int pass. The swap itself happens in three steps. Save number 1 to temp, assign number 2 into number 1, and then assign temp to number 2. Finally, we print the swapped values. Note: console read is used here to pause the program so you can see the output when running it in some environments. Walkthrough: we read and pass both inputs, and then we perform the three-step swap using temp. This guarantees no data is lost during the exchange. Using a temporary variable is explicit and easy to reason about, which is why it's taught first. Try different values, positive, negative, or identical numbers. The temporary variable method works for any value of the same type. If inputs are equal, swapping doesn't change them, and that's fine. Swapping underpins many algorithms like sorting and partitioning. Understanding the temporary variable swap builds intuition about memory and assignment. Later, you may see other techniques like tuple assignment, A and B is equal to B and A, in modern C Sharp, or XOR swaps, but temp is the clearest and safest for beginners. To wrap up, swapping with a temporary variable is simple and reliable to reason about. It is great for learning how data moves through a program. When you move to production code, add input validation using int try pass to avoid exceptions. And remember, modern C Sharp supports tuple assignments for concise swaps. Keep practicing swapping in smaller exercises. It will help you tackle sorting and in place algorithms. Great work! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C Sharp tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.